This session is in continuation to our previous session on working with sheets. And just like we learned about inserting, deleting, and renaming sheets in Excel in the previous session, in this session we're going to learn about some more options available to us in the sheet tab options over here. The sheet tab options can be invoked by right clicking on any sheet over here, and you are presented with a host of different options which can be used in Excel. Now let's just take these options one by one. Now I go onto a sheet, right click on it, and you can see I'm presented with a new option called the insert option. This option is nothing but just an advanced version of how to insert up a sheet in Excel. So let's just try clicking on it, and we are presented with this dialog box. Now I deliberately excluded discussing about this option in our previous session about inserting sheets because I just wanted to discuss the whole option in entirety. Now this dialog box presents you with an option that you can come up with different sheets in Excel now, and those sheets can be of very much different types. The first one, insert worksheet, is exactly the similar as we learned about a new how to add up a new sheet by clicking on this star button. But the rest three are quite different, including these 7 options also. Let's explore these options one by one. If I insert up a chart sheet in this and press OK, you can see I am presented with a chart over here, although there's nothing that is filled up in this chart. But later on when we're going to discuss about charts, we can also input data into this, and the option associated with that sheet tab option is MS Excel 4.0 macro. You can press the OK button and you will be again presented with a new sheet. And if you were to go on to the options again and press MS Excel 5.0 dialog, you will be presented with something like this. Now both of these options, the macro one and dialog one, which were invoked by pressing MS Excel 4.0 macro and 5.0 dialog, are irrelevant to a normal standard Excel functioning, and these functionalities have been depreciated over time, and they are pretty much a legacy options to support what Excel used to be before Excel 2007. So in this case we are dealing with Excel versions which were much before Excel's version of 2007, and this just lets us gives us a backward compatibility to those versions. There's one more interesting aspect in this insert tab option is the spreadsheet solutions. So what if you have you are a sales guy in your organization and you have some default sales reports to be prepared every day. Now it's always a tedious and a long task of going by formatting each and every cell that you have in your sheet or creating up new sheets for your sales reports. What this thing lets you do is it automatically lets you select one type of solution, one type of spreadsheet solution. Pressing OK on it will present you with automatic formatting and automatically filled up data in Excel. You can see that I already have as a product I have eatery products over here. I have Alice Mutton, Annie Seed Syrup, Boston Crab Meat, and then I have other information regarding this entity over here. All I need to do is simply edit these values to something that suits me, and it'll do my job. Let's explore some other options in the insert also. What if I want to create an expense report for my home or maybe my organization? Going on it and clicking OK on it will present something like this to me. Now formatting your sheet like this takes a lot of time, and by simply clicking on the insert spreadsheet solutions button, you are presented with already formatted sheets where you can straight away go ahead and input your data.